everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Damaris Everyday. I am Damaris, and those of you who are new for joining me, thank you so much for being here. Tonight I am actually going to show you, it's just a small Docolor haul. Docolor is a makeup and accessories brand line, and they sell primarily makeup brushes, but they've also started developing a lot of different eyeshadow palettes, highlighter palettes, things like that. And hopefully we'll be seeing more from them in the future, because so far I bought two different types of sets of brushes that I love. One is the Goth collection, which I have a video of that review of me unboxing that. I'll leave the link below. And another one is the Midsummer Night's Dream collection, which I will leave a link for you to see that one as well. But tonight I'm actually trying these pink ones that I got. I'll just take them out, and they're just regular pink brushes, and I grabbed too many. They're just regular pink brushes. They have their little logo at the side. They're just, you know, kind of professional type brushes, so I really wanted to try them. They're extremely soft. I love Docolor brushes. So far they're, you know, the brand has been pretty reliable. And I also got this pyramid makeup sponge. So the sponge is shaped like a pyramid, which I thought was really cool. And whoops, to go with the Goth makeup brushes that I have. See, these Goth makeup brushes. I bought the Goth makeup palette. What? Thank you. They also had a highlighter palette, but I'm not good with highlighter. I'm just like, oh. But I'm gonna actually do my face, put my face on, and try this palette. So before I get started, I wanted to open it up and kind of just show you colors. Let me take this plastic. Okay, let me grab. I just totally dug my finger in one of the colors, but no worries. Okay, so this is the color palette for the Goth palette. Not bad. I don't have any plans for what I'm gonna put on and what goes next, what goes where, so I'm just gonna wing it and hope that it turns out well. If not, you still be able to see the colors. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I've already primed my face. I'm gonna actually just use some of these nice brand new pink brushes. I will start with their foundation brush. This flat kabuki brush came with it. Again, it's just a nice color. I chose pink because it just kind of offsets all the other type of stuff in there. I have a lot of different type of brushes, and I wanted just a plain color, and I was like, well, I don't want plain black or plain brown or what have you. I just want to, you know, just a vibrant type of color to offset all this. Where's it? Oh, okay, sure. All right, so this is my highlighter, and I'm gonna try not to burn myself. I'm burning my amethyst right now because I just need some additional energy tonight. But I'm just going to, I already put some at the top of there, and go ahead and get started seeping into the brush nicely. I love that. Coverage is great. Y'all, I did not do my eyes first, so I have the one side of my face done, and that's exactly where I'm going to leave that. And okay, so I'm back. So I got myself some primer. I already started around my highlights a little bit, but I'm going to also use this pyramid sponge. And I already started out with some of it already, but I do like how this gets in the corner of my eyes and around it. The pyramid, the flat sides feel a lot better than a regular round sponge. So next we're gonna dip into the palette. Oh. Cool colors, right? So very nice colors. I did not have any plans. I don't know what I'm going to do first, and really I'm just going to start with the neutral colors and just maybe try and build the look from there. I do want some shimmer, so I'm going to use this one up at the top. It's called Moody, and it's like a deep chocolate shimmer color. These eyeshadow brushes here, Awkward. So Awkward is this shimmery type of purple down at the bottom. Next, what I'm going to do is use a little bit of this Professional eyeshadow base by NYX. And the color that I got is white because I wanted to show up on whatever it is I'm using. So I am going to take this pencil that came with the set, and I'm just gonna actually just make just a small crown to get the other colors on, so it shows up on top of this this platinum shimmery purple. Primed the two little rainbows in my eyes. I'm just gonna use this right here and blend it in with this shimmery purple. Just blend it out. I got punched in the eye. Looks like some heavy type bruising. Ah! Ow! Just kidding. Looks like heavy type bruising, but we are not done yet. Our foundation brush and finish what we started earlier. Cover up. I mean, it lets me hit the corners pretty nicely. You know, I was in the danger zone tonight. It wasn't going on the way that I wanted it to. We look for the end result, don't we? Yes, we do. Enjoy the journey. So far, not bad at all. I love the combination of the shimmer and the red. I think that that was a good choice. Do some concealer. They have this brush here. I can use that. Okay, I think we're all blended out now. It also came with this eyebrow brush. I don't really normally do my eyebrows. I don't know if that is something I should start doing. I don't know, I might try it just to try it. So I am not mad at this look at all. I think that this is really nice. The colors are perfect. I think they're perfect for the, I did it again. I think they're perfect for the Goth palette. I think that there's a really good color base that they used. There we go, better. And I really do like the outcome. It looked like I was getting punched in the face at first, but you know, not bad at all. I don't know. I'm gonna use this one, this Kat Von D Aesthetic Kiss, and this one is this Motorhead? Yeah, it is. It's Motorhead. I've been dying to put this one back on too. So this is a rich color. I think it goes very nicely with the color palette. Hopefully, you know, you guys like the look. I love this. I think that it looks very nicely. The eyes are amazing. I love the color palette in it. I think that it turned out nicely. Could have been worse. I'm extremely tired. So this is the finished look that I have. I think that it kind of complements a bitch face. I don't know if that's it, but I think that I just gave myself a bitch face. I'm so proud. I'm so proud right now. I mean, you have no idea how long I've been wanting to do a bitch face. I mean, this is like, you know, the Evil Queen was one thing, because, you know, it's Disney, it's fun, it's, you know, it's fun, but this is just, congratulations, bitch face. You did it. I did. Okay, I'll take it. So I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I am going to leave the link to everything that I used tonight down at the bottom. And I guess a final thought with the Docolor, this pyramid sponge works way better than the other sponges that I have. Only simple because of it's flat on like every side that you use, but it's also, it gets in there deep. It was able to kind of fix a few things that needed some fixing tonight. You know, so obviously the sponge is a definite yay. The brushes are a yay. They are as soft as they are functional. I like the vibrant colors that they come in. I know that Docolor is now doing like this neon color for, you know, the warmer weather, so I would check that out. The Goth brushes are always there. Again, you can check out the link at the bottom. It's one of my very first videos, so I would say the quality looks a little hazy, but it's just me opening up these little Goth brushes, and they're so wonderful. They feel amazing. They go on great. You know, I think Docolor is a really good brand. You know, I have not had any complaints, and this is my first time trying their actual makeup. So I think that it looks pretty good with me. I was not too sure about the colors at first and if it would be something that would complement my skin tone, but I think that I did okay. So we got the brushes, we got the sponge, and this gorgeous Goth palette. So check out the links down at the bottom. I left everything. If you have any questions or, you know, want to talk or whatever, I'm always here. Yay! Leave a comment. Hit a like, hit subscribe if you want to see more. This has been Damaris Everyday. I am Damaris, and thank you so much for joining me and being with me this evening. I really appreciate and love you for doing that, and enjoy.